Hi guys. Okay, so I know it's been a while. My last video, I believe I told you guys I was going in for a biopsy. I have this going on the screen. First of all, to show you guys how I lay down my first layer of paint, but also so I can talk to you guys a little bit. My biopsy went as planned, but it was a little more difficult to recover than I expected. It was more in depth than my last biopsy, so hopefully from now on I will be putting out videos like I like to, so you guys can see all my stuff that I have going on. But one good thing is, everything's okay. At first they told me it might be cancer, but it's not. It's just it's a disease called sarcoidosis, which originally they told me it was, and then they thought it wasn't because it didn't respond to medication. So this last biopsy was to kind of go in a little more in depth, a little more invasive to see what was going on. So but it's, we got a lot more answers from this one, so that's a good thing. Lots of doctor's appointments, lots of stuff going on, so I just appreciate all you guys' patience, and just wanted to say that I have now hit 100 subscribers and passed, so I wanted to say thank you to all you loyal subscribers and everyone who comments on my paintings, and whether it's positive or negative, or suggestions, or whatever. I love you guys, and I appreciate everything that you guys give me, because it means a lot to know that you guys are watching my videos and listening and whatever. It means so much to me, so I wanted to say that. And I love you guys. So anyways, so this what we're doing here is, it's just a simple pour in the tube, red, gold, Amsterdam, orange, blue, violet, and also the titanium white we're doing. I've been doing a lot of experimentation with titanium white because I'm trying to create cells without using silicone. I don't like doing cut pores. Using this tube is kind of like cut pores, but it's not. So it's kind of cheating, I guess, in a way. Anyways, I think it's kind of cool. So in a way, it's kind of this one turned out like a galaxy pore, so I'm calling it outer space. I really like how this one turned out. But what I'm doing here is I'm just slowly lifting the tube up, but then putting it back down to let the paint kind of come out, but not come out too fast. And then I give it a little twist, just because I want it to have like some detail when I pull it out. And as you can see all those nice pretty colors in there. And then I give it like a little balloon kiss, just to give it some detail in the middle. But I mean, look at the detail. And maybe I put too much white in there, I don't know, who knows. But maybe I had too much white as the base, maybe. And see, I did a little flub in there, which I end up pouring it off, which I'm like, thank goodness. It just turned out really cool. It just makes me wonder what it would look like if I had a black background and did black instead of the titanium white. So I might end up doing that to see what happens, or just putting some white in there instead of all white on a black background, because that might be actually kind of cool. Anyways, so I actually ended up speeding this up, but it looks like it's slow. Which is kind of crazy. But I love watching the flow of the paint as it does this and seeing the colors. I like how we have like the white kind of on the one side, but then the colors on the other side. It's kind of cool to see how it came out. But the purple really showed up when I did that blue, the balloon kiss. It's really awesome. And see here, I'm tilting to get that little flaw out of there that I had. And away goes my flaw. That's what I like about these kind of paintings. If it's not too close, you can say bye-bye. And we're all done. So now I take my little blowtorch to it. I didn't get any, I wouldn't call those little pop-up things cells. I don't know what I would call them. It's just matter floating through space. I don't know. Yeah, this one turned out really pretty. Just the colors all turned out really nice. I really like the orange with the purple, especially like in that middle swirl, how it's all swirled together. And here's the wet reveal. And it actually dried pretty similar, and when I finally seal the painting, I believe that it will look exactly like the wet reveal. When we show you the dry reveal, it does look a little more matte because it's all dry. So I am definitely going to do a shiny coat on this one, because I do like how it looks when it's shiny. But I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you will like and subscribe if you haven't already, and come check me out on Instagram. All that information is in the box below, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.